Hello, everyone. Welcome again to We Now Hub's Women Empower Women video series. And today I have a very special guest. And my guest for today needs no introduction. She's a well known face, she's a celebrity, an actress in Bollywood movies and Marathi movies. Uh, she is well known for her role as Mr. Shah Rukh Khan's mother in the epic movie Devdas, and she has already also played a mother's role in many other stars like Mr. Amir Khan, Mr. Ranbir Kapoor, Mrs. Aishwarya Rai. So just to name a few, and I'm so happy to welcome her. Thank you so much, ma'am, for coming for my interview.
Okay, Master. Thank you.
So how are you?
I'm very well. Stuck at home. The whole world is stuck at home. So am I.
I would like to let my viewers know also that despite being such a successful actress and such a well-known name, ma'am has moved to spirituality. Her yearning for deeper connection with the divine and to discover more of herself. She's learned so much and she's such an inspiration. I'm just going to name a few things. There's too much to name. She's a motivational speaker, spiritual healer. She does automatic writing, reconnective healing, uh, chakra balancing and cleansing. She's an author, pranic healing, Reiki grandmaster. Oh my God. I don't know, the list goes on and on and on. I don't even know what to say. So, ma'am, please let our viewers know what how did you get into spirituality despite being in movies and all that?
Yeah. Actually, Masuma, my spiritual journey and my film journey started in that same year.
Oh, okay.
I didn't get into spirituality. I
Hmm.
was just there. I was introduced to my first master, Prabhuji, by my husband.
Okay.
And that's how my journey started. So
Okay.
after that, for 20 years, I was with another spiritual organization. At the moment, I am for about 9 years connected to Maitri Bodh Parivar. And
Okay.
my master now is Maitreya Dada Shriji.
Okay.
Okay. So I've had three masters in my entire spiritual journey. I learned a lot. I underwent a lot of processes,
Right.
which I think is the crux of changing yourself.
Right.
So I've underwent a lot of processes. Learned a lot. In fact, even the chakra knowledge that I had is come to me through my masters. Then having also reading about it and working on myself. Now I've been doing the chakra meditation for the past 35 years without a fail.
Hmm.
So that meditation itself, when I did the meditation, that meditation itself brought about a lot of changes inside me.
Okay.
You have to have something which hooks you on in spirituality if you want to see the change. Now, the whole thing is what we are a body, energy, and earth triangle.
Okay.
Everything is energy.
Right.
The body is energy, the planet is energy.
Hmm. Right.
Yeah, so the energy part of it, energy, body, and earth, these three are not in sync with each other.
Okay.
When these energies are not in sync with each other, we face problems.
Right.
Simple as that. So
Okay.
what we got to do is to sync our energies and balance our energies.
Right.
At the moment, this COVID and all this is happening, and people are getting so frustrated because they have gone on a complete imbalance with the planet.
Right.
We were in a complete imbalance with the planet.
Right.
So being in imbalance with the planet is not going to help you overcome COVID or the fear or
Okay.
the frustration, irritation. All these things are happening to you because you're not in sync. Your energies are not in sync with the planet's energy.
Okay.
And the planet doesn't need us, we need them.
Yes.
Whatever is happening to the planet is affecting us.
Yes.
Like last month was Grahan.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah?
Actually,
So
yeah.
the whole planet is getting affected by the rays of the sun and the earth and all that.
Yeah.
We are getting affected.
Yeah.
We are not affecting the planet.
Yeah. Of course not. We are, planet is too big. We are the
Yeah,
grains
they
of
are
sand.
being
Yeah.
affected by whatever is happening in that plane because
Yeah.
they're not in sync. That's why
Hmm.
all things are happening. That's
Right.
why people feel so frustrated and they don't know what to do. There's so much of domestic violence, especially here in India and all that. All that is happening. People's jobs have gone. I understand. There is a
Yeah.
lot of
Yeah.
mental tension there is. But
Hmm.
to lose your cool, to fight, to be frustrated, to go into depression, to go into panic attacks is not the answer.
Right.
And the whole world is going through it. It's not just someone, just you, me is targeted.
Yeah.
Right? The whole world is going through this.
Yeah, they are, but people's situation is such,
Correct.
they
So
don't know how to deal with this
I
situation.
that is exactly where this energy work comes in.
Right.
So if your energy is not in sync with the planet's energy, you are going to be into more and more frustration and you will not know how to get out of it.
Right.
And that is where my chakras come in picture.
Okay. But you're doing a lot of other things. I read that you're channeling and you're a medium and you're a clairvoyant as well. I
I
read
don't
that you
do such
can.
for myself. I very honestly don't say all these kind of things. I don't
Okay.
believe that I'm anything great, but yes, I do help humanity in whichever way I can, whatever I've learned from my masters, and
Hmm.
whatever I can do is what. And that's why these talks are. I've been doing these talks with so many people also, just
Okay.
to make people understand that we are not. Our energy is not in sync with the planet's energy. Is why all this frustration is happening. It's as simple as
Oh,
that.
okay. So, yeah, spirituality has many different meanings, right? And so, what does spirituality mean for you? What is the definition of spirituality?
Basically, spirituality, as my master Dadashriji says, spirituality is simpler than the word simple.
Okay.
And because it is so simple, people find it hard to connect to it.
Okay.
But if I tell you to be simple, it is very
Hmm.
difficult. If I tell you to be yourself, it is very difficult. You can act certain things out. People put masks.
Yes.
What you are and what is there in your heart is never in sync with each other.
Yeah. Very often. Yeah.
Say something else, people have something else in their hearts. बोलते कुछ और है,
Okay.
होता कुछ और है, सोचते कुछ और ही है,
Yeah.
घर ही सिंकिंग नहीं है अपना.
But I mean, when you say this, you are in the Bollywood, you are surrounded by Bollywood, the film industry, which is all about a mask and being something that they are not.
Absolutely,
So,
absolutely. I
so
agree.
how do you think being in that scenario with all this and then being yourself? How do you balance that?
That's exactly where my spirituality came into being. That's how because I started right in the first year.
Hmm.
So I had this balance. I had my masters taught me how to balance myself. There is where the learning of chakras came in. There is where the stability factor came in. So I never let myself go. Nothing all those things what normally actors go through. I never went through all that.
Right.
Yeah.
So,
So this is exactly what I'm trying to say. There has to be you have to be sync with yourself and the body and the energy of the planet. Everything is energy. Do you agree with me?
yes,
Yeah. And the
yes.
energies are just not in sync. Is why you feel frustrated. Is why you feel your mind is going off. Is why you feel you're in depression.
Yes, that's right. Yeah, we are all made of tiny particles of energy, and there's nothing but energy all around us.
Correct. And
Yeah,
chakra is also energy.
yeah, of course.
They're energy centers of your body.
Yeah,
And they are completely off balance. So just imagine the imbalance that is there within you.
that's
हम
right.
लोग बाहर से बहुत सुंदर दिखते हैं, मेकअप करेंगे, बाल करेंगे, कपड़े डालेंगे, बट अंदर से क्या चल रहा है इसकी तरफ ध्यान ही नहीं जाता.
Yes, and I don't think many people know how to be authentic these days because they're so used to covering themselves in makeup and all that. In fact, right now also I was so uncomfortable because I'm not used to all this on my face. I'm a very natural person. So it was a bit difficult for me to come like this. But anyways, coming back to spirituality, how can spirituality heal or help your entire life? How can it transform your life or heal it? Yeah.
So that is exactly the word that you use is right. How does it transform you?
Hmm.
you need to do, when you are on the spiritual track, you connect with yourself.
Okay.
When you connect with yourself, you automatically, the whole body comes in sync with your inner self, which is your own higher sacred self, which is the divine, which is there inside you.
Okay.
And we need to undergo that transformation.
Okay.
Because we don't have that shift and that change within us is why the whole imbalance is that what we are going through.
Right.
We have to be in sync with our inner self. It is like, for example, हम लालटेन देखा है ना, लालटेन,
Yeah.
lantern,
Yeah.
उसका दिया जब जलता है, so in the beginning the light is shining very nice and the lamp is, you can see the light and it's
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
for days and all, वो सूट फॉर्म होता है उसके ऊपर अंदर, right?
Yes. Yes.
And then you can't see the light properly
Yes. Of course.
because it is covered with that suit.
Yeah.
Now, if you don't clean the suit, धीरे धीरे the light you will not be able to see which is there inside.
Yeah.
That's exactly what happened to us. But
Right.
what transformation means is cleaning up that suit.
Okay.
Okay? Now what happens? Now it is not, I'm not talking of the external transformation that you have.
Yeah.
Not talking of the change of hairstyle, change of clothes and the change of makeup, wearing, not wearing. That is external transformation. That doesn't bother me. What is the problem is that the thing I'm getting to is the inner transformation.
Okay.
But your thought process has to change. You got to feel the love for everybody that is on this planet. You have to stop being judgmental. Forgiveness has to come to you easily. That is the inner transformation. It is so difficult because
Yeah.
it's so covered with the suit. The reflection of the inner divine is not coming out at all.
Yeah.
इतना एंगर, इतना फ्रस्ट्रेशन अंदर भर गया है, उसको धीरे निकालना is transformation. Now with that, what happens?
Yeah.
What happens when you're transformed?
You shine. You are connected to the divine.
What? So shine, the shine दिखती नहीं है ना?
Yeah.
You know,
That's right.
basic-
The inner light shows through.
yeah, but means what?
Means you're connected to the divine. You're being authentic. You're being a pure soul that you're born to be.
You have to show in your actions.
Right.
Just show in your thinking.
Yes, that's right.
So what happens is automatically you start feeling love for everything that is. Automatically you don't judge.
Right.
Judgment doesn't come to you. Like if I meet some friend of yours, suppose, okay, and you tell me, this lady, you better be careful with her. She is a little, थोड़ी सी अच्छी नहीं है दिल की. Suppose you tell me. I meet that friend. I am going with that thing. Master has told me this lady is not very nice at heart. So I'm looking at her from your point of view.
Yeah.
Okay, so I react with her and I talk to her, having that thing in my head. ये ना थोड़ी सी अच्छी नहीं है औरत.
Yeah. So your judgment is colored
by your experiences. And that lady will be wondering, why am I behaving in such an odd fashion? That is perception.
Yes.
So I don't want to be tainted by that perception, which normally happens.
Yeah. Yeah, it's natural. Everybody feels that. Yeah.
It is not natural. And it should not be natural. You have to learn to see things from another perspective point also.
Right.
Because पूरी दुनिया ऐसा करती है, इसलिए मैं ऐसा करती हूँ. ये तो सभी करते हैं, ये तो natural है, ये ही change है. This is the transformation.
Right.
It's not natural.
Okay. But then, how do people find the means to transform or to understand this, that, the change has to come from within and that your perspective needs to change? Where can they find the resources and how can they do that?
Yeah. One thing is, you did my chakra class. So one thing is chakra. I am doing chakra classes online also.
Okay.
So the chakra class, knowledge of chakras. Now, maybe you will do the class with me, you will not do the class with me. But I have a YouTube channel.
Okay.
Where I have about 500 videos.
Wow. Okay.
So if you can subscribe to it, Masuma, and whoever is watching can subscribe to the channel.
Definitely.
I have done one video which is Chakra Guide to Beginners.
Okay.
Chakra Dhyana for Beginners, वो एक video है. Even if you follow and do the Chakra Dhyana without even knowing what the chakras are or understanding about them, you are still better off than not doing anything.
Okay.
Because chakras are the inner energy centers of yours. Those get balanced, there's a huge difference you will find in your entire attitude towards life.
Right. It's like a meditation.
Yeah,
Jnana means meditation, right?
it is a meditation.
It's like, is there a chant or it's just listening
Chant.
to your?
No. It's a chant. You have to participate in it. I've done it that with you when we did the class. Maybe you forgot it was so many
Yeah,
years.
it was 5 years back.
Uh,
Yeah.
But I've been doing Chakra Dhyana for the past 35 years. Please remember.
Okay.
So that is why what you see, what I am today, or being in the film industry also, I have not lost my balance.
That's right.
And it's
Yeah.
very important.
Yeah, I want to let the viewers know. I mean, I met ma'am 5 years back, and I think she's the most humble person I've seen or met in this industry. She's so sweet. And for this interview, when I messaged, I was so scared. I was like, oh my God, should I message her? Will she come on my interview? And I messaged her, and immediately she replied, yes, let's do it. And within 2 days, I'm here talking to her. She's such
Yeah,
an
it's
amazing
not
person.
because I'm trying to be humble or trying to be nice. This has become me.
Yeah. Shows.
This is
Comes
just
up.
yeah. But now how it is? You got to have some kind of a discipline. क्या है लोगों के पास knowledge बहुत है,
Yeah.
but applicability नहीं है.
Yeah.
Every religion has their spiritual books. Like हमारे में जैसे भगवत गीता है, आपका कुरान है और बाइबल है. All of them have वो सदियों से आप कुरान पढ़ते आए हैं, बाइबल पढ़ते आए हैं. हम लोग गीता का वेदांत में नॉलेज देते हैं क्या क्या होता है. Now this at least Gita I know about 5,000 years ago when that happened. Now ever since people have been talking about it, उसका ज्ञान बांटते हैं, उसके बारे में चर्चा होती है, what not happens. But application किसी ने नहीं किया है उसका. अगर करते तो हम humanity would not be in this state today.
Yeah, it must misconstrued.
Yeah, misconstrued. Even if the 1% was applied to what your life is, your life would be a different life today.
Yes, definitely. Yeah.
I have been talking about chakras. People have been talking about energy work, this, that for years. It's not that I'm just
Yes. There's so many modalities available today.
Exactly, but लोग apply नहीं करते. ज्ञान होना तो is it there? It is ज्ञान. It's all remaining in the mind. But when is it going to become your experience?
Yeah.
You have to apply, na?
Yeah, of course.
So application अगर नहीं है तो it's of no use.
Yeah. And you are doing a lot of workshops and talks and events and organizing a lot for awareness for people. Yeah, I mean, that's so amazing. And now you're going to start online one-to-one?
No, one-to-one is, I mean, one-to-one के लिए ज़रा difficult होता है. I need at least 5-6 people at a time.
Okay.
Who can join the chakra class with me.
Okay.
So they can write to me, or I can give you one number where they can contact for the chakra class. Do you want the number?
Yeah, could you let us know here, and if there is an email or anywhere they can send an email.
Chakra, wait, I'll just first give you the I will give you the number, 1 second, where they can get in touch with me. They can get in touch with me on 98200.
982-800.
98200.
100.
98200.
Okay.
86786.
Okay.
So they can call me on this number.
Okay.
Want to do the chakra class.
Okay. And email? I think there is an email.
Email is there. It is smita Smita J.answers
Okay.
Smita J. Answers with an S
Yes. Yeah.
at gmail.com. So they can
Okay.
call me or they can mail me. Then we can
Mhm.
arrange for a class. At least 4 or 5 people to hone chahiye.
Yeah. So they should form a group and get
Yeah,
in touch with
yeah.
you
You can
for.
call me directly. Then I'll see who all are interested. We can make a group of 5. That is not a problem. Yeah,
Okay.
but
Fine.
this will not be a free workshop.
Of course.
It is not going to be a free workshop. So be prepared that there is a charge to it.
Okay.
Yeah?
So you will let them know the charge when they.
All that when we talk, we don't know. I don't want to discuss all that over
Yeah.
here. But they can call me separately if they're interested. So what coming back to this is you have to do that work. Now teaching, okay, I will teach in the class whatever detail may about the chakra. But if you don't apply it to your life, you are in the same place whatever you were. So you wasted your money, you wasted your time, you wasted everybody else's time and not made use of it.
Yeah.
सो अगर आपको वाकई चेंज चाहिए ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आपको लाइफ में चाहिए तो यू हैव टू टेक सर्टेन स्टेप्स
Yeah. That's right.
now even if you want to eat very good food you have to cook the food yourself or if you order it from somewhere but you have to put the food in your mouth that much you got to do
Right.
so
And,
no effort from your side I'm sorry I will not be able to help you I'll give you knowledge
hmm. And if once the students enroll in something like this, do they need to change any of their lifestyle or anything? I mean, food or I mean to.
no not at all that's another myth.
Okay.
Like again, my master Dadashiji says, spirituality does not demand any sacrifice from you.
Okay. That's good.
So no, that is again a myth because these things there have been so many myths around spirituality that people have been so scared कि नहीं ये करेंगे तो हमको ये बोलेंगे ये मत करो वो मत करो. That is not true. Now me, I am still in the acting field. I'm still doing my acting. I'm still doing everything what I always did.
Right.
मैंने कुछ छोड़ा नहीं कभी भी. And I've been in the glamorous world forever.
Yeah. It's been how long since you've been in the acting field? 35 years. And how did you get into this field? I mean, how did you get into acting? Were you always into, is your family somehow into, no.
No. It happened. It is a divine call. That was my purpose of my life. When it's your purpose of your life, divine takes you through it. Because when
So
I
both
got
things happen at the same time for you.
that time I didn't realize what it was because I was literally everything just starts falling in your place when you are on the path, correct? There is no struggle then because then you know you're on the right path. I was wondering how this was happening to me at that time. Now when I see in retrospect, मुझे अब पता चल रहा है कि ये होना ही था. इसके लिए हो गया. Because the divine probably wanted me to use my whatever little name, fame, whatever I have to spread the divine message.
Yes, definitely. Because you are so well known and people know you. I mean, anyone who sees you, they know. You know, you're so well known and your voice is also so, like, it's typical madam's voice, you know. So, yeah, I mean, that's why people come to your workshops because you're such a wonderful person, you know.
No,
And
वो तो छोड़ो, but I honestly want to reach out to people and I really want to change and transform the thinking.
right. Okay. So let's hope that people watch this more, it reaches more people and people do contact you and benefit from the work you are doing, from the chakra balancing and get the inner transformation they need, you know. And
they need to, I mean, I don't know when people will wake up to this and understand that if we don't change now, if this transformation doesn't happen, if we don't change now, at this moment, in this COVID moment,
yeah,
there's so much of a churning that is going on. And COVID se agar dar jayenge, 2020 will see so many disasters. How are we going to handle that?
Yeah, there's one after another that's coming up.
2020 is a year of churning. Only those people who are connected with the planet energetically, अंदर से connected हैं, planet के साथ अपनी energies और planet की energies connect है, those people will go forward.
Right.
So the earlier you realize this, the better it is. Otherwise, you up मंथन में पीसते जाओगे.
True. Yeah, so all I can say is that I hope more people awaken. You know, they either come to you or they go to somebody else who will guide them in the right direction.
They have to come to me. Whoever can give this transformation from inside. Your internal transformation, your emotional and your mental transformation, which is required now. This is exactly what this COVID is trying to teach us. If we don't learn our lessons, we are in deep problems.
Yeah, and I guess even people have to be a bit discerning of whom they start believing and whom they start following.
Especially going through all this kind of thing, they just start believing in anybody who tells them anything.
Yeah.
बहुत कुछ हो रहा है दुनिया में.
Yeah, I am a bit disconnected from what's happening in India because here we don't really get news from India and all that. We don't even get Bollywood movies and things like that. So I'm really not connected much of what's happening. Only my family is there, so I get some news.
Correct.
But yeah, I mean, whatever is happening is
it's not. Yeah, it is quite. It is actually not to be scared of. It's just that you have to understand how to deal with things in life.
Right.
So COVID से अगर डर जाएंगे तो पूरा साल अभी और निकालना है.
Yeah, there's half a year.
Half a year to go. We don't know. And ये चलेगा 1.5 साल तक at least ये सारा.
Wow.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah. So the earlier you understand this, you will be taken forward because that is how the connection with the divine, the energy, the planet, us. We have to be in tune with everything.
Agree. Totally agree.
Because it is all energy. If the whole thing is only energy.
Right.
If you don't understand the energy and how to sync with the energy, you will lose your balance.
Yeah, totally agree. Yes.
If you want to live like this, it is your choice. It's your life. You can choose to live like this. That's not my problem. But those who want to shift and change from inside, I can show you. If you trust me, I can show you the way.
Right. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much for joining me. Is there anything else you would like to add before we leave? Is there any message you would like to give the viewers?
No, the message I would just like to say, whether it is COVID or whatever, every human being needs this inner transformation.
Okay.
Even if COVID was not there yet, every person needs this inner transformation. And you don't try to do all these things when you are in trouble, when you are in the midst of a problem. They don't seem to sink in your mind. Mind इतना ये हो गया है ना पूरा.
Yeah, full of too much information and. Yeah.
So the mind cannot absorb good things. What I'm saying is start doing it before any problem or a challenge hits you. Then you can handle that situation better.
Right. Okay.
Storm जब आता है तो हम storm को नहीं रोक सकते, हम कुछ भी नहीं सकते. You'll be helter skelter going running from here to there.
Yeah.
You know earlier about it, you know what to do.
Right. You'll be prepared.
You know, you'll get your answer. You'll know what to do.
Right.
That's what I'm trying to say. So don't wait for a situation to come and then you start running here. Then you go to wrong people. Anything tells you anything, you just start believing and it doesn't work.
Yeah, that's true. Okay.
Think about it.
Okay. I guess viewers, please listen to her and think about it and go on your journey of transformation. And please connect with her if you can. And she's really, I don't know what to say.
Actually, I don't want those. If you really want to thank me, take steps to change your life. That means, okay, what I've said has reached.
Right. Sure.
That is a thank you.
Okay. Okay. So with this, ma'am, thank you so much for joining.